Okay, so I don't like that this is the part that you have to wrap the accessories on and the cord around. So when all of the accessories are in it, you can't really wrap the cord around it. Also, there's nowhere to put the hose, so it just kind of like hangs here. So storing it is a pain. You can't really like, I don't know, keep it neat. There is an extra spot up top for other accessories because if you put them in the bottom one, they just fall out. I've also like tucked the hose in here, but then it just like sticks up like big, and then the rest of it just hangs and drags. It gets caught on stuff in the garage. So, I mean, it does what it's supposed to. It's on rollers. It worked good, but you know, like I said, the cord, it's just kind of put together cheap and sloppy. And then like the hose here, it's just like pushed in there. It doesn't like click or snap on. So it did pop off a couple times when we were cleaning out the cars. But other than that, I mean, I guess it does what it's supposed to.